Hello, my name is Georgi Petrov, and today I'm going to talk about the paid social playbook I use to scale past 100K, 1 million, and even 10 million months on Meta and TikTok. I've personally managed over 58 million in ad spend across these platforms, and those results didn't come from looking at some stats and only strategizing, but they came from getting into the accounts and really running ads, right? They come from a repeatable system that changes as your revenue change, as business changes. In this session, I will break down that system step by step so you can apply it immediately. And if you are running ads and feel stuck right now, unstable or capped, this will show you why, and most importantly, how to fix it. And now I will be talking about how I build creative systems that fits the algorithm. I'll talk about creative systems. I want to be very clear about this one. Roughly 80% of the work happens before a single ad is launched. Creative performance does not start in the ad account, it starts in the research phase. Before we produce volume, we build intent. Every creative I test is rooted in a deeper understanding of the ideal customer and how the ideal customer thinks. That means clearly defining their problems, fears, objections, and the specific outcome they are trying to achieve. The product or the service is positioned as a direct response to those realities. This is exactly how we approach brands like 310 Nutrition. Before scaling, we mapped out the core emotional drivers, like for instance weight loss fatigue and that skepticism in the 310 Nutrition case. That research directly informed the angles, the test hook, and everything from there. To do this properly, I spent time researching competitors, customer language, and real conversations. I pull insights from Amazon reviews, Reddit threads, Facebook group, customer support tickets, and increasingly from AI assistant as well. I'm asking ChatGPT, but with a prompt that will give me the right answers. This research phase determines the angles, the test, the hooks, everything pretty much, and how your ads will perform eventually. We did every creative and enters testing with the intent. One intent is defined, volume comes next. Scale, I expect at least 20 plus new creatives per week across formats. This is before the 50K per day. This is not optional. Creative volume is the fuel that allows Meta and TikTok to learn efficiently and stabilize delivery. This approach is exactly what allowed us to scale Infinite Age aggressively without performance collapse. Once the intent-driven angles were validated, creative throughput become the main growth lever, not audiences, nothing like that. We do the creative targeting, so we have our targeting in the creatives. And at this point, important to understand that Meta Systems has changed with the rollout of Andromeda updates. Creative testing no longer works the way it used to. In the past, it was often enough to take the same video, change the first 2 to 3 seconds and swap the hook and let the rest of the creative stay the same. That approach could scale accounts for a long time. Not anymore. Andromeda changed that. Today, Meta evaluates creatives much more holistically. It looks the full picture, the narrative, pacing, visuals, and message, not just the opening hook. As a result, testing not only hooked variation is no longer sufficient. Now, scale requires testing different angles, different narratives. Everything should be completely different and focusing on your specific ideal client, ideal audience. This shift in why research has become even more critical when Andromeda evaluates creatives at a deeper level. Intent-driven angles outperform surface-level variations. In static and video creatives serve different roles inside the system. Static ads build for clarity. They communicate the offer, while the videos specifically go through the problem and present the product as a solution. The video ads are built also for behavior. Their role is to stop the scroll, establish relevance fast, and create engagement that the algorithm can work with. A good example of this is a video creative we tested for Shot of Joy, an alcohol alternative drink. The creative was built entirely around intent, not trends. That single asset achieved 6.74 CTR with a 23.30 CAC because the angle spoke directly to the emotions, no reason to people were searching for an alternative alcohol. This is where Meta and TikTok begin to diverge. On Meta, winning creative tends to reward structure, clarity, and repetition. The platform responds well to clear value propositions and constant messaging that creative reduce friction for the user. On TikTok, on the other hand, winning creatives are driven by speed, novelty, and pattern interruption. Pacing is faster, visual change is more frequent, the content must feel native, and because of this, TikTok requires more aggressive creative velocity and broader angle testing. What works on Meta often needs to be reinterpreted for TikTok, not reused, but completely interpreted. Every creative, regardless of the platform, gotta be structured and tested. Creatives are launched with consistent naming conventions, budgets, so algorithm can early interpret what is being tested, and they're allowed to spend enough to generate signal before any evaluation happens. I review creative performance on a fixed cadence every 2 to 3 days using CPA and conversion behavior as a primary filter. Creatives that meet performance thresholds stay active. Creatives that fail exit the system. This keeps the account clean and focused. When a creative consistently performs, it graduates. Graduation means moving that asset into scaling campaign where budgets are higher and delivery is optimized for volume. At that point, the algorithm already understands who responds to that creative, which is why scale becomes stable. This entire system designed to continuously feed the algorithm intentionally structured input. Research creates intent, shapes creative diversity, trains the algorithm. That is how creative testing becomes stable on both Meta and TikTok. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Georgi Advice. There I share real strategies, real case studies, real lessons from real experience and from trenches. Appreciate your being here. See you on the other side. Thank you.